early pregnancy symptoms. Early pregnancy symptoms. 15 early pregnancy symptoms. In this video today, we are talking about the very early pregnancy symptoms. What will you be able to see when you are pregnant? What are the very first signs of pregnancy? Sign number 1, implantation bleeding. When a woman has just got pregnant, there's going to be some blood collecting around her uterus, her womb, as a result of the fertilized egg, also known as a blastocyst, attaching onto the wall. Imagine a seed that has been thrown into the soil and it's starting to grow. It first of all has to create some roots, and then those roots will actually burrow or they dig deep into the soil. So something similar to that happens when a woman gets pregnant. There's going to be some very early bleeding. It's called implantation bleeding. How can you identify whether it is implantation bleeding or a miscarriage? You need to do a pelvic ultrasound scan. It will be able to show whether there's a gestational sac, the sac of the baby, whether it is there, and if it is there and the pregnancy is at 7 weeks, does it contain a live embryo? Does it contain an embryo with a heartbeat? Anything from that may mean that probably you've done the pregnancy test when it is very early, or you could actually be having issues like maybe a miscarriage or a blighted ovum. So pregnancy symptom number 1 is implantation bleeding. Pregnancy symptom number 2, missed period. When a woman has just got her pregnancy, there's going to be her periods are going to actually not show up. I mean, they're not going to show. You will miss your periods when you've just got pregnant. The main reason is that probably, or the main reason of you missing your periods are because you were actually, the hormones were expected to drop so that you could maybe see your periods again. When a woman gets pregnant, the hormones are going to continue rising. The hormone we are talking about here specifically is known as progesterone. Progesterone hormone keeps rising, and it keeps rising because it is a pregnancy-friendly hormone. It will be produced by your body to keep the pregnancy. So if at all progesterone levels are high, the hormonal levels of progesterone are high, then you will not see your periods, because at the end of it all, high levels of progesterone mean that you are most likely pregnant. So missed period is pregnancy symptom number 2. And then also there's going to be an increase in your temperature. An increase in your temperature still is due to hormones surging or rising in your body. So if you begin actually seeing changes in your temperature is rising, it could actually mean that you are pregnant, but also it could indicate that you could be having maybe some other issues like infections. So you need to see your doctor, who will do some checkups on you. Pregnancy symptom number 4, we are looking at there's going to be an increase in your heart rate. When we look at the normal heart rate is supposed to be 60 beats per minute to at least 100 beats per minute. When a woman gets pregnant, because there's an increase in the blood volume, there's an increase in the volume of blood moving in your body because of the pregnancy, due to the increased body demands, there's going to be an increase of workload, or there's going to be an increase of activity on your heart. So your heart will pump faster to try to meet the demands, the increasing demands, as you have just gotten pregnant. So there's going to be an increase in your heart rate. If you check your pulse or your heart rate and it is actually faster than normal, then it could actually be another sign that you are pregnant. Early pregnancy symptoms. We are looking at the next pregnancy symptom, and this is breast changes. Your breasts are going to change because we know that there's a hormone. It's known as prolactin. This hormone keeps your breasts, it actually takes care of your breasts. It makes them appear the way they are supposed to appear. If at all this hormone, prolactin, is so high, if it rises higher than normal, then there's going to be changes in your breasts. And then, of course, if at all you get pregnant, these hormone levels are going to change. And the changes in this hormone, known as prolactin, is going to have an effect on how your breasts are going to appear. So when you begin experiencing changes in your breasts, it could mean that you are actually pregnant. Next pregnancy symptom is there's going to be mood swings. Mood swings mean that sometimes you may be so happy, sometimes you may actually feel sad. You can actually even go into depression. Hormonal levels or pregnancy hormones are really attributed, or they are among the main causes of mood swings in very early pregnancy. Remember, you can ask me all your questions about fertility, about pregnancy. If you have been having that burning question and you'd like to know what could be causing those changes, please just go down the comments of this video and then ask your questions. I welcome you to our channel, Gerard Massa, the health educator, and remember to subscribe so that you do not miss new videos we release every day. Frequent urination is our next pregnancy symptom, very early pregnancy symptom. When a woman has just got pregnant, your kidneys are going to be working a lot, 24 hours a day. Why? Because of the increased blood volume in your body. The increasing demands of the body due to the pregnancy makes it actually very, very difficult for the kidneys to work well. So your kidneys will have to work a lot to pump more blood. In that process of filtration, because the kidneys deal with filtering blood. So in that process of filtering your blood, they will actually send more waste products in form of urine to the bladder. Tugambye nti ku channel yaffe eno twogera ku by'ekikyala, tugambye nti leero tuli kwogera ku kye bayita early pregnancy symptoms. Biki by'osobola okulabirako nti ofunye olubuto gwe ng'omukyala. Ne tugamba nti ekisookebwako ogenda kuba ng'omissinga periods zo, kye tuyita missed periods, togenda kulaba periods zo. Oba tozirabye, manya nti luyinza okuba olubuto, oba nedda oyinza okuba nga tozirabye naye ate ng'olina obuzibu obulala obanga obwa hormonal imbalance. So olina okulaba dokita n'akucekinga. Ekirala tugambye nti temperature yo oba omubiri gwo gujja kuba gwokya nnyo. Ekirala tugambye nti ojja kuba okoowa buli kiseera, ate n'ekirala omutima gugenda kuba gukuba buli kiseera, then n'amabere go gagenda kuba gakyuka. Nyiga eppesa erya ready osubscribinge ku channel yaffe tubeere nga twongera okuwayamuko. I welcome you for today's video lesson. If you have any questions, drop your questions in the comments below and I will. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have learned something in today's video lesson. If you have any question about fertility, about reproductive health, or about how you can get pregnant faster naturally, then just go down the comment section of this video and ask your question. I will answer all your questions. Nsanyuse nnyo mukwano gwange okubanga obadde naffe leero. Oba olina ekibuuzo kyonna kyonna ekikwatagana ku video gy'olabye leero, oba oyagala okubanga nkuddamu, beera nga ombuuza ebibuuzo byo mu comments eza video eno, nja kuba nkuddamu. Remember to subscribe so that you do not miss new videos we release every day. And then also remember to hit the like button so that we reach more people here on YouTube. Have yourself a fantastic and healthy day, and remember to donate to support our work. May God bless and protect us all. Bye-bye.